Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm working on a 2009 Trailblazer. It's just a front end walkthrough. You're doing the ball joints. I'm just gonna let you know what troubles we run into here. So, upper ball joint, super easy when you're doing the lower. You just put the knuckle on the ground, smack right here with a hammer, but don't forget to take the clip out and try to preserve it. I'm not 100% sure. I'm actually quite sure that the manufacturer forgot to include one of the clips with one of my ball joints, but I was able to reuse the old one, so it was no big deal, but seriously. So this lower ball joint, though, is one of the tightest fitting ones I know of. So, and on top of that, you can't even use a round cup on the ball joint press. So I got a wood clamp, my pliers, just on these two ears. I've already pushed it most of the way through, and I just hit it till the impact stops, and then I smack right here with the hammer. Usually one hit goes about 5 millimeters through, and then you get back on here with an impact. Also, you know, the plug here for the ABS wire, that's got to come off. Be very careful not to mess this up. They're not cheap. Maybe they're a little cheaper on these, but other GM products require a hub assembly, which is almost $300 in some case if you break this wire. So keep that in mind. Also be careful, don't hurt your boots for your axles. Get help if you need it. And yeah, this top one just pops right out. This is not a video meant for somebody who's doing this for the first time. This is not an easy job, and you do need some pretty special tools. So yeah, keep that in mind. Because to pay a mobile mechanic to come to your place to fix your mistake is much more than a shop. You'd be better off just going to a shop. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you guys got something out of it. I'll see you in the next video.